Actually nguthamsanqa Moses Hlatshana. But ngalesikhathi silwa nokuthi sasifunela ukuthi into ehambisana nabelungu legama la Moses ngalibulala. Yeah, abantu be-AJS bake kwafika leyo era la beshintsha khona amagama. Bengasafuni lutho into ehambisana nesingisi. Nathi sashintsha amagama ngaba uMusa. Music uqale like into nje eyokudlala nje. Njengokuthi ayibona uma uba introduced kwi-guitar. I-guitar ngathi into yokudlala nje. Akusho ukuthi into candy band and everything. So now I was being introduced kwi-guitar kanjalo. Bengisasesigele ngaleso sikhathi. It was after incarceration when I decided ukuthi ngiye lapha eMajuba ngiyofunda ke. Ubonisa ukuthi I can be a better man rather than being taken away into custody like as an outlaw njengoba babecabanga. The very same struggle lesasisilwela seganja illegal today. Impilo yami influence of music kakhulu. Ngizinkamba manga. Officially ke nga-introduce abobhuti bami ke nabo beyidlala nje bengakazi ukuthi kudlalwa ini. Up until nabo bakhula bafunda baye ema-university abanye. So that's when i-reggae yaqala ukwenza a lot of meaning in it. Ngathi mase ngiqeda isikole ngase ngiba free kakhulu ke lapho. Nami sengikhona ukuthi ngenze i-meaning ngawo lo mculo lo. Owa influence impilo yami. Nami sengifuna uku-influence izimpilo zabanye abantu. Ngathi lokho it has created a momentum for me. Futhi yenze ukuthi nomuntu kade enganginakanga nginake. That's why kwathi me kwenzeka ngihlukumezile kakhulu yona lento le. Because abantu iganja first bebenga understand ukuthi at first. So yayithatha njengama drugs associated nama drugs. Up until imfundiso zakhula no government wazoyibona lento nama scientists aphumela obani. So kodwa ngakuthola ukuhlukumezeka. So kodwa late lezi ababe ngiphosa ngazo bengijikjela ngazo mina ngayithatha ngakha ngazindlu. That's why ngithi ngalesikhathi I was incarcerated. Ngathi mengiphuma I was released on a parole. Ngoba ngaboshwa 2017 ngesi-3 zaka February. So ngezi-19 zaka February I was released on a parole ngoba I was sentenced to 18 months. So within lesi sinye isikhathi ngingaphandle ngiseva kwi-parole ngadecide ukuthi ngiya e-tech. Ila ngafike ngafunda khona ngafunda i-furniture making. Lama bench nje sihleli kuwo wonke akhandwe echarging. Ngingabekisa politically njengoba Zuma yabo izinto ezenzekile kuye zimenze wageni momentum abantu abaningi babulandela ukuthi yini lo muntu lona alandele kangaka. So i-momentum nami ngayigena kanjalo ngoba abantu abaningi babecabanga ukuthi into engiyenzayo i-wrong. Up until kwafika lesikhathi sekuba khona ama-cannabis expo neganje siba semthethweni umthunzi wenkukhu usuvunyelwa kuhulumeni and stuff. Abantu that's when ngaqala ukwenza isense ke ukuthi abantu abaningi babona ukubona i-live instrument ne-live sound nama-drums ngathi la eMatateni. So ngaleso sikhathi ngangise-revolutionary concerning indaba ye-hip ne-Rastafarian life in particular. Nami ngabona sengiphumile ku-youth, ngangisakulibele ngithi ngi-youth. Nami ngaze ngatshelwa mase ngihamba imhlangano emkhulu, nti nami ngiyozirepresent as a-Rasta. Ngathola ukuthi ngale langa ngithi ngi-youth kanti kwakunyaka wami wokugcina ngikwi-youth, ngangina-35, ngizoba i-elder ngapha ku-36. Bathola ukuthi nanoma kunjalo influence isaqhubeka ukuthi I have this spirit of fighting for liberation kahle or liberty yomuntu omnyama. Ngikhuluma about African teachings in particular or izinto ezibala yonke into. The general knowledge lena kade beyifaka kancane esikoleni because i-general knowledge uma sisixakwe ilama PhD la ngiswafundele i-general knowledge ifike isikhulula. I'm not being political. Kodwa nje njenge-reggae i-resurrect so much. Counting even yena ubaba Lucky Dube yabo Rothman yami ngoba ulingana nobhuti wami omdala. Wadlala i-role enkulu kakhulu in getting rid of i-apartheid la eSouth Africa. Or nokuthi South Africa ibukeka kancane emazweni ase-Africa in particular. Amazwe ase-Africa aqala ukurelate nathi eSouth Africa because of Lucky Dube. Because Lucky Dube behambela wonke amazwe ase-Africa. Should be ambassador e-Africa.
We are visiting Fury Op. Sivakashele inside the Fury Op. We one of the most progressive group of the youngsters. Engabamita nami in one of our shows. Sase sibabangani from then up until now. So sesehamba izindawo eziningi kakhulu sesibuya ko Utrecht Bantu Village sesike sashutha ama-scenes amaningi together. So iFury Op abantu ababonisa ukuba nentshisekelo eqhubekela phambili njengoba sibona bebiza abantwana abantu aba-organize ngendlela ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthi bakhiphe emaphoketheni abo bahlanganise komama bathize abame kahle ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bajabulise le ngane kuzama ukuthi restore ama-moral values size sibone ukuthi manje izingane manje seziphenduka indlavini at a very young age. Iqiniso lisekutheni abantwana badlalanga, abantwana zange babe nama-toys. Thina sikhule ama-2000 zange adlale nge-18, thina sadlala nge-18. So for the artificial intelligence kids azange zize ziyifune izinto ze-18. So abangatholanga ama-toys lokho kwababangele so njengoba benza abafethu bangijabulisa ukuthi wonke umuntu akhona ukuthi ajabule ukuthi uzala emndenini onjani. So sikhipha lento lena ethi equal rights in our community.
Giving enough credit to reggae music and the role that it plays. One thing engafuna ukuthi ngichaze, South Africa, it holds the biggest number of Rastafarians in the whole world. Maybe it's the fact that nobody knows. So ama-Rasta amaningi umhlaba wonke atholakala eSouth Africa. So meaning we have so many youths or nathi sasi youth ama-Rasta. If sasingasiyo ama-Rasta, nathi ngabe si-violent njengayo yonke le youth violent. Futhi we could be the worst, like we could be the worst youth because thina sasinesibindi namanje sinaso isibindi yabo suthi si persistent mesenza into siyenza kuze kufike egcineni. So i-reggae music has played a role enkulu ukuthi isibambe ukuthi isibuyisele kuma-moral values wethu, you see, because isibuyisele kwinhlonipho yabazali bethu le ababesifundisa yona singayifuni. But through reggae music and Rastafarian life, sakwazi ukuthi sibuyele leyo nto leyo. Guys, you are nabo sister bafaka iketi qoka kahle ngendlela appropriate, ngendlela le ebuyisa uAfrica. Because mawuthi uyabheka i-apartheid bekuyisilwane esikhulu. It was the biggest animal. And like it was more focused on apartheid in particular, yabo. So ngizobuya futhi back with us ngoba thina besulele i-marijuana legalization as Rastas elokishini yabo, and nami me myself and I as an individual, you see. Kodwa egcineni mase iganja isilegally ayisabizwa nge-black market, become a white monopoly. Ngisho nezinto amaphathi eganja senzelwa ko-17 sezenzelwa on higher places. So meaning thina vele egcineni angesabala ukuthi thina we have suffered the whole consequences for ganja. We've been incarcerated, spending sleepless nights in prison, being bullied by cops and all this type of thing. In a sense that I even wrote a song mina after the situation engayifisa yabo, because ngase nginokuthi ngiboshwa amaphoyisa like about 5 amaphoyisa in different aspects. Kodwa uzothola ukuthi babhale statement esi1. I was traveling around the vicinity of Section 5. I saw the men like wearing i-turban. Babuze mina bathi yini ngisho ngithi turban. Omunye wakwabhala wathi because he just assumed what is a black duke. They would call it anything. Kodwa ubona ukuthi is the one and the same statement. So ngase ngabona ukuthi okay, it means to every corpse mina I'm a bread in town. Kusho amaphoyisa mengangibophanga angeke ahole ngoba mengibopha athi asuke sebenzele isinkwa sabantwana bakhe. Ngaze ngabhala icule lithi to every corpse I'm a bread in town.
Hear this. Unyama not behind the microphone. Skankalachi there. K-Street my producer. Hear this. To every corpse I'm the bread in town. Prison behind I'm the king with the crown. So no need for you to wear it from. Cause I is the year that wears the crown. To every corpse I'm the bread in town. Prison behind I'm the king with the crown. So no need for you to wear that from. Cause I is the year that wears the crown. I'm walking by the street I can hear crowd shout. Who the amanates are the best in town. Prison where the system can lock you behind. Cause behind every move you make a mark. The mark of the beast can take the hit. Cause I'm on my 2 feet, can take defeat. Loving all my kids, bitter or sweets, sweeter than the rest in every tongue. Kumaboys angiyisinkwa sempilo isizathu salokho nginkosi ngithela umqhele asikho isizathu sokuthi ungifinele ngoba liyasindikhanda ethwala igolide kumaboys angiyisinkwa sempilo isizathu salokho nginkosi ngithela umqhele asikho isizathu sokuthi ungifinele ngoba liyasindikhanda ethwala igolide. Well, now I bid farewell to my old times of stress. I need to eat a bit that to won't regret. To keep a heartbeat to the pass the test. And save sanity from vanity. Well, now I bid farewell to my old times of stress. I need to eat a bit that to won't regret. To keep a heartbeat to the pass the test. And save sanity from vanity. Shala la 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 la. Shala la 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 la. Shala la 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 la. Shala la 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 la.
I have no take on that because I have 35 years since I've smoked ganja. So it means now I'm still standing at the gate. So there's nothing I can talk. Ngoba ngisamile gate. It means it's been 35 years. If it's a gateway to drug, make 18 for 35 years. So there's least I can tell about that. It's just that the angels and the demon, you don't mistake the two. So likewise with the lion and the dog, you don't mistake the two.